Welcome back to Fusion 360. Today is day 4 and today I just wanna going through some of the most fundamental commands inside Fusion 360, and that is the extruded post base, revolve, and the whole feature. So let's just get right into it. To use the extrude, already I have made the sketch. I'll click on extrude and I will just choose the location that you want to be extrude. This time you can just lift the direction and you can define the distance. You can keep it thin extrude as well, see, but I just wanted to be keeping as a solid. Profile plane, you can tag actually offset from the existing sketch. See, and you can extrude this object up to a certain other object as well, but this time I don't have any other object. Profile plane, one side, you can keep it symmetry as well. You can keep it two side, defining the other side dimension. Distance to object all. Distance I just define 34. You can define taper angle. See, inside, outside. And you can deal with the cutout sections, intersects. This time I just add a new body and I will say okay, which is amazing. For evolution, I have another object. The sketch I just made pre-made, right? I will just click on revolve, select the profile, select the axis, and select the profile. See, type angle, define 360 one direction, and again I'm just adding a new body. I will say okay. See, to create a hole, for that I just made another object. I will click on the hole, click on placement, and I just want to put it here. You can just define references and you can just define the distance. I will keep it 50. You can just define other reference as well. You can keep it 45, 42. This is extent up to a certain distance. You can just flip the direction. And now you can just keep the distance limited. Right, you can define the diameter, you can define the angle, and I will say okay. Now this hole is created. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Just subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Boom, thank you.